Take two. I wanted to go ahead and show you that I got the Inductrix, the blade Inductrix from Horizon Hobby. It comes with the blue cowling and the red cowling. It also comes with the 25C 150 mAh 3.7 volt battery. I went ahead and bought two of these 45C batteries. They seem to run pretty good. Gives it a little bit more pep, if you know what I mean. I intend to upgrade the frame to a carbon frame and some alloy ducts going around the outside of it. I also want to do the motor upgrade. It's a 6 by 15 millimeter motor, I believe. Nevertheless, I will include some flight footage along with this. I wanted to holler out at Silver Madness. I got your stickers. Right here's the stickers. One's a sticker and one's a magnet. Very cool. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm going to be sending you a little something. It's strange. My mother sent me some boxes. When I opened the boxes, I found a train set that I thought was long since gone. Thank you, Nanny Goat and Aunt Paul. We appreciate it. One of the first things I took out there, Silver Madness, was this right here. I emailed you some pictures, but it says Silver Meteor on it. I'm gonna go ahead and send this to you. I made this. This is it came as a little kit. It's set for probably 40 years before the kit was built. I built it this morning, but I'll be sending this over to you. Had your eyeballs open for it. It's from a company by the name of Athearn. I don't even know if Athearn trains exist anymore, but there's the box. There's what the box looks like. I'll pack it up nicely, make sure it doesn't rattle or anything. Just want to say thank you for the stickers. I really appreciate it. Love your channel. And that's it, folks. I'd appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe. I may be kind of late going with this blade Inductrix. I've always wanted one. I finally got one. Man, it flies terrific. Like I said, I'll go ahead and include some flight footage. This is Silver Top Flyer signing off.